Have you ever seen a warning light on your dashboard and had no idea what it meant? You're not alone. For many drivers, car problems can be stressful and expensive. But in 2026, artificial intelligence is making vehicle diagnostics easier than ever. Today, we'll look at 5 powerful AI apps that can help you understand what's happening inside your car before a small problem becomes a major repair. Number 5. FIXD. FXD works with a small OBD2 sensor connected to your car. Instead of showing confusing error codes, it explains problems in simple language and even estimates repair costs. Number 4. Waylens Fleet. Waylens uses AI and camera technology to monitor driving behavior and detect unusual vibrations, impacts, or vehicle issues before they become serious. Number 3. RepairPal. RepairPal helps drivers understand fair repair prices. Its AI analyzes thousands of repair records and helps you find trustworthy repair shops nearby. Number 2. TalkPro. TalkPro provides real-time vehicle data, including engine performance, temperatures, fuel efficiency, and more. It helps drivers detect problems early and monitor their car's health. And number 1. Carly. Carly offers advanced diagnostics for popular brands like BMW, Audi, and Toyota. It can uncover hidden vehicle issues and even check whether a used car's mileage has been altered. But how do these apps work? Most of them require a small device called an OBD2 scanner. This inexpensive Bluetooth device plugs into your vehicle and allows the app to communicate directly with your car's computer system. It's important to remember that these AI apps cannot physically repair your vehicle. Think of them as digital mechanics that help identify problems and provide useful insights. While they are highly accurate, they still depend on the quality of your car's sensor data. That's why they should be used as a guide rather than a complete replacement for professional inspections. The bottom line is simple. AI-powered diagnostic apps can help you understand your vehicle, avoid unnecessary repair costs, and detect problems before they become expensive. If you're a driver in 2026, keeping an OBD2 scanner in your glove box might be one of the smartest investments you can make. Subscribe to AI Pilotage for more AI tools, future technology, and smart innovations.